I'm out here on the Cedar River Flow with the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Hector. How do you say your last name? Guerra? Guerra.
There you go.
The man, the myth, the legend. So we're in the Adirondacks on a beautiful fall day. Not a cloud in the sky. And we're hoping for some great stars tonight. Be so romantic.
Yeah, sure.
No. Anyway, so yeah, nice day. Colors are pretty nice. Pretty good fall color. Ah, came from back that way. Ooh, look at that. Good color out there, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. So like I said, Cedar River Flow. Ooh, nice color there, huh? We're out this way. We're heading down, we're gonna up the Cedar River and back into the West Canada Lakes wilderness. Yeah. Hector's first time in a Adirondack wilderness. All right, Hector, the man, the myth, the legend.
What's up?
Gotta save some battery, gotta save some memory. And I gotta help this guy paddle. See you later.